Hello, what's up? Welcome back to another video today. Today we're going to be playing some Nerf guns.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's how you do it, Kool-Aid Man style.
So if you didn't see, we got a play set. So Harrison's base is the play set. Me and Wade,
What's up? Haven't done it in a long time. This
are
is
going to
our
be on the
base.
teeter-totter. But since Harrison's by himself, it's fair. And we're older.
Alright, let's do some of this.
These are called infinity stones.
Yeah, that's what they're called. Alright.
Okay.
God, here's your gun. Okay, guys, we gotta do this. I'm gonna start from the top.
Okay.
I got it. Video me. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Today is going to be hard. This gun sucks.
Here. I got this. Gun. Hold on.
What am I, like your ammo?
So what?
It's fine. But guys, we have... I'll tell you after. Sorry. I'm refilling. Oh my... Hey, wait. No.
Yes.
Fine.
This is my original.
Wait, come here. Wait, come here. Come here. Hey, let me up.
Hang on.
Let me. So, we're gonna invade Harrison's base.
I got back, you get front.
No. We're gonna go different directions.
Okay.
I get right, you get left.
Got it. I'll climb the
No,
rock
I
wall.
need this fully loaded, please. Okay, Harrison has no clue. So we're gonna get him. Might drop you guys.
I'll
Please be
pick them back up.
patient.
I'll pick you guys back up. Hey,
What
no
if I
fire.
get shot?
Sad day. The baby feet.
Let's make a rule.
Hey, butterfingers, guys.
2 out of 3. Harrison, if you shoot both of us,
Here,
you win 1 round.
I'll take this. Okay, guys, did you?
If we shoot you, we win 1 round.
Yeah. So if
And
we
the
shoot.
best one to 2. If we both get to 2,
Yes, it is. Deal. Hold this. Put the camera on me.
Yeah. Why am I not?
You guys want to watch?
Hey, can you take this? Hey, take it.
Guys, there's 1 life left. Guys, there's Ben shooting after. Oh! Ben, hold. Time.
As you guys just saw, I just got hit. Let's see if there's a mark. Oh, there's a mark! There's a mark! Woo! That's proof that I got hit.
I haven't been hit. I got Harrison once.
So, one more time, buddy. One more time.
It's all down to me. It shouldn't be so hard.
Wait. Harrison.
Come on.
Wait. Harrison. Okay, I'm not mean, but I'm just cheering for my team.
Blue around, shoot me from the back.
Wait. going from the back, turning to front, shooting from the side. He's going to the back, coming to the front, shooting him from the side. Do you actually get that? Like, wait, out of the game or out of the game or out of ammo? Okay. Reload. Sorry. He hit me. Not right there, but it's a mark. That's a mark. Marco Polo.
You guys ever seen the Winter Soldier? Because he's very good with the Uzi, and so am I. This is basically a Uzi. You ever seen Star Wars?
Yes, I have. And that's Han Solo's.
This is basically the gun that they have, except it's black and white, not orange. You up there?
That's like Han Solo's
I
gun.
need a refill. I'm not.
I'm not.
No, I am. Oh, never mind. I'm not ready. You can't target me like that. I always take 2 steps and you can target me.
What is happening?
Dang it.
Dude, that's not even loaded. Here we go. Wait. Oh, there he is. I was like, where the heck did Harrison go? Two times.
You said, fine, one more.
One more. You're out.
I'm out.
You're out. No, not out of the match. He just got.
I had him.
He's out of ammo. Take cover.
I'm not done yet.
I don't take cover though. I'm taking cover. Although he can't hit me. Or that'd be a turn. I've never been the gunsman.
Ben, throw bullets on the ground for us so he can pick them up.
Oh. Like, can I tell you guys something?
I know.
I'm just spreading something around. It's not bad. I mean, if you say cleaning up bad, but do you guys hear that?
Is it working, Wade?
Nope, not yet.
I mean, we're doing this.
You gotta restart it. Hold it.
No. What is wrong? Wait,
You know.
can I help you? Hold this.
What
Stop.
the heck?
What? Dude, you really messed up the gun. Could you not see the problem?
Yeah, I did the thing stuff. If you take another fire again. Look at this guy.
I fixed it.
Hold. Hold, this guy's a noob. Wait. This guy's awfully a noob.
Oh, I see that face.
Star Trek's Wade. This is bad.
That actually was a pose of Han Solo.
Get your butt up on that building before I shoot you in the head.
Hit him! Hit him, Wade!
I'm out. I'm out. Jeez, kid.
Did you get hit? I heard somebody get hit.
That was him.
No.
Yes, it
Did
was.
you guys hear this?
No.
Guys, comment down below who won. I mean, don't comment down below, just say. No, wait. Like if I got him, like if he got Wade.
Wait, no. Like if Wade got Harrison. Unlike if Harrison got Wade. Okay? But really, please like this video. Again?
No, I got it. Just a bullet. A bullet just got stuck.
That gun can easily get jammed.
Go. Hold your base, kid, before I shoot
Come
you.
on!
Okay.
I want to be back
Wait,
in the
Point
game.
the video at me. Point the camera at me. I got stakes high. Got a gun. Aim for his head. Let's do this.
Wait.
Not yet.
You see this right here? Use it.
I am.
You know, like what you put on like a sniper or something to make it go and look and see your aim. I totally use it. Okay, I'm back in the game.
Hey, hang on.
Hold on.
Let's go! We won, guys! Yeah, Han Solo post. 1 point for Team BW and 0 points for Team H. Let's refill. Huh? The video's not ended. We still got 2. It's almost ended. We have. Okay, guys. So we have. This is gonna be the last round. Hold this. Let me hold this. Gotta refill. Okay. All right, guys. Refill. Hey, we could do a part 2.
Hey, let's both go find and invade.
Yeah. Okay,
Because
guys.
if we do that, he has 2 targets to try to hit.
Yeah, I can just.
Wait, you stand behind me and you try to hit him 3 times while I try to hit him. Okay? Harrison, you better get up in your base for this one. I'm serious. I know, but you're gonna want to. I'm not being cool. I'm jealous. Black eye. Ready!
Ready.
So much for the plan. Oh, I hit him! Oh, he hit me in the face!
I didn't refill.
The face doesn't count.
Ben, I wasn't aiming for the face, I swear.
Okay, hit me. I got refill.
Ben, all I was trying to aim for, Ben, was you. Not your face, okay?
I know.
Should he be DQ'd? Wait, guys. For part 2, should we do a sequel of a 1v1?
No! Wait, come out, my
Whoa! I hit him once.
I'm out. Pause.
You're out. Hurry.
Hi. No, stop. Oh!
Are you okay?
Sorry, guys.
You okay?
Reloading. Hey, cover me. Cover me.
Oh! Ow!
Face.
Ugh.
2
I know you
faces.
meant to do that.
2 faces.
That was on accident,
That's
by the way.
2 faces.
Ow.
Harrison's now hit a face 2 times. And that wasn't me.
It was me.
Wade and me. He's hit Wade and me.
I got this. Okay, guys. The video's about to end, so
Ben.
the video's about to end. So we're gonna do a part 2.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Are we gonna do a part 2?
We're going to kill Harrison first.
Oh yeah, killed him. Hold.
You did not hit him.
I am.
Wait.
I'm out. Dad, cover me.
Ready.
And
Ready?
Whoa.
Ready?
Yo, Wade!
miss.
Oh, I hit him! I hit him! Did you guys not see that? Because if you did, you missed a miraculous thing.
Okay, guys.
It's over. They hit me.
Bye, guys. Hope you
Peace
enjoyed
out.
the video. Peace out. Adios. Have a good